So I love appetizers. If you've been around my channel, you know how much I love appetizers. But summertime, I really love dips. I mean, dips are just a great appetizer, a great thing to bring to a barbecue or a potluck. So I'm gonna share with you 6 dips that are perfect for summertime. They are all so good. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and let me show you these really delicious and super easy dip ideas. This dip is going to be with bacon and corn, which is such an awesome combo. So I have mayonnaise, I have sour cream. I will put the recipe for this in the description box, so check that out. I have 2 cans of corn, so I have drained the corn, and I should be using a bigger bowl because this is getting really full, so definitely a big bowl. I'm gonna add half a cup of these bacon crumbles. I love these bacon crumbles from Costco. I'm gonna do half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and then I also have some garlic powder and some pepper as well. So this is such a great combo, like I said, with the bacon and the corn. So good. It makes a nice big serving. You can serve this with tortilla chips, or you can serve it with corn. Frito chips are really good with this one. But like I said, it makes a really big batch, so it is perfect to serve a crowd. It is just a really great hit and so perfect for summertime. I just love bringing dips and chips to functions, and this one is just amazing and so easy also. So you know I love easy recipes. If you are new to my channel though, make sure you click subscribe so you don't miss any of my other easy recipes. This is the easiest of all. I have chili with no beans and cream cheese. I am doubling this recipe this time. So if you'd like, you can do 1 can of chili and 1 brick of cream cheese. But this dip, it literally flies out of the crock pot because it is so amazing. 2 ingredients, you can't beat it. And crock pot dips and crock pot appetizers are one of my favorites because you can keep everything nice and warm throughout your cocktail hour or appetizer hour, and it just keeps everything just so yummy. So you can serve this with tortilla chips as well, and it is just a humongous crowd pleaser. This one is highly requested whenever I am asked to bring an appetizer. People love this one. So I'm going to cook this on low. I'm going to stir it about every 30 minutes until that cream cheese is melted. It should take about an hour and a half or so, and then you are ready to go. So good. So this is a TikTok viral recipe, and I have been making this a lot over the last 2 years. So I have sour cream. It's very simple, just a few simple ingredients. There's definitely a reason why this went viral because it's so easy, but it's so good. So I have a can of Rotel tomatoes. I have a packet of taco seasoning, and I have some shredded cheddar cheese as well. So 4 ingredients, mix it all together, and you have a really awesome summertime dip. Anything with a sour cream or mayonnaise base is just a wonderful crowd-pleasing dip to make, and so this one is awesome. So easy. You can make this ahead of time also and let it set up in your refrigerator, which I love doing that as well. It just makes things so much easier. Serve with tortilla chips or Fritos corn chips, and you are all set. So this is going to be a skinny pool dip is the name of this one, and it has cream cheese, sour cream. I have a can of corn that I will drain and add in. I have some diced green chilies, which I love diced green chilies. I have a red bell pepper diced up into small pieces, and I have some ranch seasoning mix. So these are basically all of my favorite things combined into one. I'm gonna give this a good mix, and it is a great dip. It is a little bit on the thicker side, which I really like. I don't really like a runny dip, so this one is really great. So I'm just gonna mix around that cream cheese. It is softened a bit at room temperature, but this one is so good. And serve this with Fritos corn chips or tortilla chips also, and it's a huge hit. So this is going to be onion dip. It is 2 ingredients, does not get any easier, and this is an absolute staple in my family. I grew up on this. My parents have it at just about every single function. My dad brings it to everything. But so you just add in your onion soup mix into the container. I am going to use the whole envelope of onion soup mix, but I'm going to give it a good mix first, and then I'll add the other half in, and you are ready to go. So you can make this ahead of time and store it in the refrigerator, and I just make it right in the container. Makes it really easy. You don't have to dirty up another dish if you don't want to. So I'm just gonna add this into my chip and dip. We love to serve this with Ruffles. You can also serve this with the original Lay's potato chips, but so easy. I'm going to do a crock pot dip. This is going to be some spinach artichoke dip, and I am really obsessed with spinach dips, and this one is so great and so easy. Everything in the crock pot is just so easy for me. I do tons of crock pot cooking. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and check out some of my crock pot videos. I do a ton of crock pot dinners. So I have my frozen spinach. I have my brick of cream cheese I'm going to add in. I have some mozzarella cheese as well. I will put the recipe for this in the description box, of course. So 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I have shredded Parmesan cheese as well. And I just dump this all in the crock pot, so it just makes things so easy. I'm adding in a cup of this shredded Parmesan. I love anything with Parmesan cheese, really. It's just such a great combo with the spinach and the cream cheese. I'm going to use some plain Greek yogurt. You can use sour cream if you'd like. Sometimes I like to substitute the yogurt to make it a little bit lighter, but when appetizers, you can definitely substitute whichever you like. Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, or sour cream. So adding a cup of the plain Greek yogurt in, and I'm going to add in some minced garlic. I'm going to add in some artichoke hearts that are drained. I'm going to chop up these artichoke hearts before I add them in, so they're in more like bite-sized pieces. So here they are all chopped up. I'm going to add them in. I use that whole can. I love artichoke hearts, so I used the whole thing and chopped them up into small pieces. So this is good to go. I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir to kind of mix everything around. It's not going to mix that great with this cream cheese. Is hard, but give it just a little bit of a mix. And then I'm going to cook this on low, and I'm going to stir it about every half an hour until it is mixed all the way through. So this is going to take about 1.5 hours to 2 hours for everything to melt. You can cook it on high to make it cook faster if you would like, but this is just so great. If you're having people over, you can set it and basically forget it. Just give it a stir here and there, and then you have a really awesome dip ready for your guests, and it is just so good. You can serve this with tortilla chips, with veggie slices. You can serve it with sourdough bread chunks. Is a really great thing to serve with this, or crackers as well. So this is so versatile. You can serve tons of different things with this dip, and it is addicting and amazing. I hope that you loved these dip recipes. I love making appetizers, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out all my appetizer recipes. I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.